So as we can see, it's a frosty day today, and the windows are frosted there, and because the windows they've just fit under there, there's no top. If I try and open the door now, potentially this could damage the window or crack it. So the thing is, it's always best to defrost it from inside before attempting to open it. And one of the best things about the Tesla is the fact that you can defrost very quickly, because it's electric, by using the app. And there you go, just 5 minutes later, nice and warm and toasty. And as you see, the window there at the top is defrosted. Job done. We're ready to go.